Alright, getting all excited to wrap this painting. This one right here. This pretty one that also glows in the dark. It's very cool.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome to a typical weekday in the HallyuBack household. Right now we are preparing HallyuBack news videos. What video are you working on?
I am looking at the FT Island members getting Brazilian waxes. That's the one that drew me in, and I was like, there's a video for this.
Do they normally get it, or did they just do it for like a gag for as part of a show?
They just did it for part of the show.
So they don't normally get them?
No.
That's a bummer. Don't you think?
No.
Super duper good news, you guys. This painting right here needs to be wrapped today. It was already paid for. I'm just so excited about that. I love this painting. This is a more meaningful painting for both of us than a lot of them around here. I mean, most of them are very meaningful for her, but I was there. I was here. In 2 different states. This represents 2 different states. We just filmed one. Steph is up changing her shirt. We're gonna do one more. HallyuBack news. I got my hair cut today. What do you think? That was quick.
Just threw a shirt on.
That was super quick.
Yeah. Well, you might be able to see my bralette through it, but whatever.
Let's get a little clippy-do of this.
I've been wearing this all the time, so I figured that I'd throw on some heels and a little bit of jewelry and take an Instagram photo.
We're next door in the Airbnb, trying to get the perfect selfie, just perfect. See, we got lots of, oh, see, look, ooh, look at that. That looks good. What do you think? Not bad?
Yes, I can barely see. It's perfect.
She's cute out there with a soccer ball.
I kind of suck.
I like your strategy too. Kick and then attack where you kicked it.
So I'm gonna go try to unclog that drain. Okay.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I'm woman. Hear me roar.
So, this is happening right now. Dude, I think you got the wrong house. Oh no. Drive safe. Whoa. I want to try this snack we got in the mail. It has red bean paste inside of it. Oops. There we go. Let's get focus. It's flaky and crumbly. Whoa. It's getting all over the table. It's slightly sweet. It's a very familiar taste for me. I don't know if I'm able to describe it because we don't have red bean filling or red bean paste in food in the US. I mean, maybe we do, but over there it's in so many different snacks and things you find in the corner store. This is the box. Steph is back. Hey, Steph.
Hi.
She's working on unclogging the tub with one of these bad boys. Zip it, unclogs drains. Tonight is actually the first night we don't have people staying overnight here in almost a week. So we're cleaning it a little bit more thoroughly. Getting ready to film a Top 5 Friday. Hey, guys. How's Mr. Minhose today? How's Mr. Minhose? Your nose is cold.
I have a big baby, and then Dad decides to pull the camera out, and you're like, no, I'm not such a baby. No, I'm not a baby. Can't hold me. Can't hold me down.
So this one is called 4th of July, and it's based upon our 4th of July. The 3rd of July, we were down in Pennsylvania, and we saw the most beautiful sunset with my dad and that side of the family. And then we came up here to New York, and we hung out the 4th of July with Richard's family and friends, and they had a big old bonfire on Lake Ontario, and it was just beautiful. So I took the two, I combined them together, I threw them into a painting, and that is what this painting is. You got the bonfire, you got the water with the boats, you got the fireworks, and you have the beautiful sunset from the night before. And the back of this one, I used a quote that says, "Life should not only be lived, it should be celebrated." Because I thought that was appropriate.
That's a sweetie pie. That's a sweetie pie. Oh, so sweet. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I have the most amazing wife. She's cooking dinner for both of us right now. What are you cooking?
I'm making some tomato and cucumber salad. We're having beans and greens and fish. That's the plan.
This is also what I like to see behind me. Not one, but 2 paintings getting ready to be shipped out. And to think that less than 2 years ago, I retired from teaching in Korea, a super duper cushy job, to this where we work 7 days a week, pretty much, and pursue our dreams. Senorita went outside to get something from the garden, including tonight's dinner, I'm thinking. What you getting? Just getting basil. Oh, you guys. If you could only smell it in here right now. All right, guys, we're about to eat this feast. Let's see if we can get it. There it is, right there. Right there. Any last words? Baby, baby.
I'm obsessed with goat cheese.
You putting it on the fish?
No, I'm putting it on the beans.
Looks exquisite. We're gonna eat this and we're gonna enjoy it. I love you, babe. Thank you for cooking.
I love you too. You're welcome.
Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. That's it. We're out of here. Hasta luego.
Bye.